You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, and there's quite a few subtleties that we need to look at because yes, there are quite a few different correct pronunciations in English. So let's go through. Antibiotic, that's probably the most common pronunciation. Now the Americans will pronounce the T with a flap T, that sounds like a D, so antibiotic, alright, so antibiotic or antibiotic, so that's one. Now you can also say antibiotic, alright, antibiotic. Now you can also say antibiotic like the Americans, and you can also say antibiotic as well. Antibiotic, okay, so that's quite a few different pronunciations here, but remember antibiotic, or quite a few people also say, especially in the US, antibiotic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.